Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have numbers. We didn't have numbers for August. Last numbers we had were for July, and these are the September numbers for Windows 10/Windows 11 market share. So the first thing that happened is Windows 10 21H1 has bumped up 10%, almost, if not more, even a little more. So it was 26.6% back in July, and now it's 38.1%, so 12% almost is a nice jump for 21H1. We still have 36.1% on 20H2. So the May 2021 update and the October 2020 update together are 74% of all Windows users out there right now. So that means that there's still a little bit of people on the version 2004, 14.5% are still there. The version 2004 to 14.5% will soon have to move on because the support will end in December. So that's only a couple of months away. And a few months away, so that's going to be probably moving on to 21H1 directly. The Windows 10 version 20H2, which is interesting, didn't really budge much, really. So it seems that the 21H1 gains come from probably the version 2004, because 36.1 for 20H2 was 36.3 in July. Pretty much the same number of people are still on 20H2. So a little bit of people moved to 20H2 and maybe to 21H1 from 20H2, but the majority probably came from older versions of Windows 10. Note that Windows 11 in insiders, 1.3%, which is a little bit higher than the 0.9% of July. But probably what's nice here is, of course, the highest number of insiders in a long time. So it seems that some people were interested in checking that out. But for the rest, we're in a world of Windows 10, of course, where the 21H1 and 20H2 are 74%, which is kind of cool. So these are the numbers for September of 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.